This is an easy, low-carb meal to feed your family, and this will feed a large family. We're going to start off with about 3 cups of shredded chicken. You will need to either boil that yourself and shred it, or you can use a rotisserie chicken. And then we're going to add 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 1 heaping tablespoon of sour cream, 1 4-ounce can of jalapeno peppers diced. Add a package of taco seasoning mix. Let's go ahead and give this a mix, and we are going to let this simmer for probably about 5 minutes or so. You're just enough to melt that cream cheese, and you do want to keep an eye on that. You will need some tortilla wraps for this recipe, and these are the ones that we really like to use because they're so easy to work with and they're low carb. Here's a tip for you. Anytime you're making a wrap, it's easier to work with them if you put them in the microwave for about 10 seconds. I usually do about 3 at a time on 10 seconds. You want to put about 3 good-sized tablespoons of the mixture inside of the tortilla, and then you just start wrapping it, just like this. You will need a 9 by 13 to put these in, and go ahead and make sure you oil that 9 by 13. This yields 8, and that does depend on the size of your tortilla or how much mixture you put inside. Then we are going to need a 10-ounce can of enchilada sauce, and we are just going to pour that enchilada sauce right on top of those wraps, making sure to coat each one of them. And we're not done yet. You will need about a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Just top those wraps with shredded cheddar cheese. Pop this in the oven on 350 degrees until that cheese melts, and voila, dinner is served. And if you have any of these wraps left over, they are perfect the next day to take for lunch.